Ready to dive into the ultimate showdown between the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Today, we're breaking down the fiercest specs. Which phone boasts the sharper main camera? Whose display reigns supreme in size and resolution? Can the Huawei's massive 5700 mAh battery outlast Samsung's powerhouse chipset? And what about memory, video capabilities, and even water resistance? Plus, Samsung throws in a stylus. Does that tip the scales? Stick around, because by the end, we'll ask the question that might just split the fan bases. Is Huawei's innovation enough to dethrone Samsung's flagship? Let's find out. When it comes to raw camera power, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the crown with a staggering 200MP wide lens, delivering ultra-detailed shots that outclass the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra's 50MP main sensor. This means sharper images with more clarity, perfect for photography enthusiasts craving the finest detail. Samsung edges out with a slightly larger 6.9-inch display compared to Huawei's 6.8 inches, offering a bit more screen real estate for immersive viewing and gaming, making every visual pop just a little bigger. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's octa-core CPU is a beast, with 2 cores clocked at 4.47 GHz, significantly faster than Huawei's top 2.5 GHz core, promising smoother multitasking and intense gaming performance. Samsung again leads with a sharper 1440 by 3120 pixel resolution at nearly 498 ppi, providing crisper images and text compared to Huawei's 1276 by 2848 pixels, perfect for users who demand the finest visual detail. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite built on a 3nm process, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers superior efficiency and speed over Huawei's Kirin 9020 7nm chipset, translating to better battery life and performance. Huawei surprises with a massive 5700 mAh battery, outlasting Samsung's 5000 mAh pack, which means longer usage between charges, ideal for power users and travelers. Huawei's LTPO OLED hits an impressive 3000 nits peak brightness, outshining Samsung's 2600 nits, making it easier to see the screen in direct sunlight despite Samsung's advanced AMOLED tech. Huawei sports a 13-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, giving you wider group shots and more background in every selfie, compared to Samsung's 12-megapixel wide lens, perfect for social media lovers. Huawei offers superior water resistance with IP68, IP69 certification, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets and deeper immersion than Samsung's IP68 rating, though Samsung counters with a handy stylus for productivity. Huawei packs a hefty 16 GB RAM option paired with up to 1 TB storage, surpassing Samsung's 12 GB RAM variants, which can mean smoother multitasking and more space for your apps and media. Samsung leads video recording with 8K at 2430 fps and 4K up to 120 fps, offering more versatility and future-proofing compared to Huawei's 4K at 60 fps, perfect for content creators seeking ultra-high-resolution videos. Samsung comes in slightly cheaper at $1,300 compared to Huawei's $1,400, offering flagship-level specs for less, which might sway budget-conscious buyers.